This is the ultimate charging test, involving two latest flagship phones, the Realme X50 Pro and the Galaxy S20, along with two more extremely fast charging phones from 2019, the Realme X2 Pro and the OnePlus 7T. I'm sure you know the wattage, the charging technologies involved here. If you don't, here's a quick rundown of the specs. On paper, the X50 Pro has the best numbers, 65 watt SuperDart charge, and the worst numbers belong to the Galaxy S20. Of course, the S20 Ultra is supposed to charge much faster thanks to the 45 watt fast charging support, but in terms of price, the S20 is closer to the other phones in this test. Even the S20 Ultra just supports 45 watt charging. It doesn't actually come with a 45 watts charger in the box. You need to buy it separately. But if I'm being honest, the real reason the S20 is a part of this test is because I don't have the S20 Ultra. Just real talk. Let's get started. Now, the S20 costs a fortune, no doubts about that. But if you've ever dreamt of getting a true flagship, a full-fledged flagship phone, you don't have to sell your kidney anymore. Because our sponsor Exynos offers a wide range of benefits if you join as a partner. You can refer traders to this platform and earn up to 40% of their revenue. This is one of the highest revenue share programs in the market. Exynos provides detailed real-time statistics to keep track of clients' transactions and get daily payouts. You can withdraw your funds instantly whenever you want. Can you believe the total payout since 2008 is $306 million? It's crazy good. Exynos also teaches you everything about Forex and provides promotional tools and materials to make the most out of this platform. You also get a chance to win prizes with their loyalty program. Prizes include supercars, iPhones, and so on. So click the link in the description to register a partner account with Exynos and start earning right away. So, moving on, all the phones are dead, meaning they have 0% charge. All of them are connected to their respective charging adapters using the original Type-C cables that came with them inside the boxes. Let's begin with the test. I just flipped the switch on the extension box. All the phones just displayed the logo but did not actually turn on, except the Realme X50 Pro. So I had to turn it off again. End of 5 minutes, boom, the X2 Pro jumps to 25%. The X50 Pro follows it closely at 23%, the S70 is at 14%, the S20 is at 12%. End of 10 minutes, the X2 Pro is still leading with 45% charge. The X50 Pro is at 40, the S20 is at 23, while the 70 is at 25. Not a huge difference between the S20 and the OnePlus 7T, but do note that the 70 has a 3800 mAh battery, while the S20 has 4000 mAh. Similarly, the X50 Pro has a 4200 mAh battery and the X2 Pro has 4000 mAh. Now, is that the reason we are noticing these differences in charging speeds? Well, not really, because the X50 Pro is being charged using a 65 watts adapter compared to the X2 Pro's 50 watts adapter. So even with a slightly larger battery, the X50 Pro is supposed to charge faster, but there is probably some kind of limitation on the charge intake. Both phones are from the same brand though, that's why I'm a bit confused. Why would they treat phones differently? The X2 Pro is done in under 30 minutes. Excellent job. At 88%, the X50 Pro is not too far behind, while the S20 and the 70 have a lot of catching up to do. At around the 40-minute mark, the X50 Pro reaches 100%. There was actually a power cut in between for like 2 to 3 minutes. I wasn't near the camera, so I didn't pause the stopwatch. But yeah, it pretty much satisfies Realme's claims. End of 50 minutes, the S20 is at 83, the 70 is at 93. Now this is where the OnePlus 70 tends to slow down considerably. Slows down to the extent the S20 almost catches up in a matter of just 10 minutes. 94 versus 96%, and in another few minutes, the S20 overtakes the 70 and reaches 100% in around 68 minutes. 66 actually if you take the power cut into account. And the 70 takes another 7 to 8 minutes to reach 100%. Now, as you noticed, despite using a faster charging adapter, the X50 Pro was a bit slower than the X2 Pro. For both phones, Realme claims full charge in 35 minutes, but the X2 Pro actually surpasses its own claims, while the X50 Pro kinda sticks to the claim. 35 minutes is still not bad at all, guys, not by any means. The Galaxy S20 is a lot more expensive, but takes about 68 minutes for a full charge. And if you noticed carefully, the S20 and the OnePlus 70 charge at almost the same speed during the first 15 minutes. And during the next 30 to 35 minutes, the S20 slows down, the 70 stays ahead for the major part of the test. But the S20 keeps charging at the same pace while the 70 slows down once it reaches 85 to 90% charge, probably to preserve the battery health. Honestly, I think OnePlus's Warp Charge is a better performer in this test because as far as I know, most people don't wait till the phone reaches 100% unless they just put the phone on charge and go to bed, in which case charging times don't really matter, right? But when you're in a hurry, when you have only like 20 to 30 minutes, like when you're getting ready to go out, those are the situations where fast charge is actually useful, right? So in those situations, you'll be more satisfied with the 70's charging speeds because it's faster during the first 40 to 50 minutes. But yeah, the X2 Pro and the X50 Pro are like another level altogether. They're unbeatable by any phone, not just phones in the same price segment. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you appreciate all my efforts, all the graph explanations and whatnot, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And of course, any questions you have regarding the newly launched S20 and X50 Pro, post in the comment section. I'll get back to you as early as possible. Thanks for watching. This is Ashwin Sundar and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.